The Business Compliance Engine, or BCE, is a new organizational governance model that uses blockchain technologies to incentivize quality assurance and standards compliance. As well as reducing costs of the business and improving service to the customer, entrance into the BCE system will provide organizations with a range of tools to grow their operations. These include a policy creation framework, a 3D world visualization, websites and marketing tools, a profit forecasting system, the business plan builder, and free accountancy software. All the apps in the BCE ecosystem have the advantage of being intercompatible with one another. The overall viability of this model has a precedent in the Dentacoin currency. However, to ensure the quality of the software being provided, these tools will be put into use to provide care in a business environment through the company Ultrasound Babyface.